I've been using this Ryobi 40V attachment capable weed eater for a couple of seasons now, and here are my thoughts and opinions on whether you should buy one for yourself or not. The weed eater does come with a low and high speed setting, and I'll be honest, I do run this in the low speed setting most of the time because the high speed setting just isn't needed. That's if you've got really tall grass or thicker weeds that you're trying to get through. Trigger mechanism is really simple to use. You pull this little trigger back here first, then you pull the full thing in, and it starts right up. It's really good response time to starting spinning at the bottom. It does take a little time to get full speed, but just like a gas trimmer, and then it slows down really fast, which I really like. If you're already in the Ryobi 40V platform, you can use the batteries that you have. If you don't, you can get a trimmer with a battery, or you can just get tool only and buy the battery separately. Battery just slots in here. Now I've got a 4 ampere battery in here, but you can put a 6 ampere battery in here or anything else that Ryobi has in the 40V platform. Before we get any further into the video, there's going to be someone in the comments saying, battery? I'll never be able to trim my yard with that. Well, chances are this might not be for you, but for a majority of people, a battery weed eater is going to be more than enough. If you're just trimming grass, maybe you're doing the odd thicker weed, maybe brush style trimming, or you need to trim some hedges, these 40V weed eaters are going to be more than enough power. Maybe you should look at getting something that's a little bit cheaper and has plenty of power. It's nice and quiet as well. You don't need to wear ear defenders because nobody wants to do that when it's 90 degrees out. As regarding price, they are on sale right now, and they do have sales throughout the year. I got this at a really good price a few years ago, but now they're over 200 bucks. But then again, everything's gone up, so yeah, kind of the same for every product you're going to be getting out there. Test out on a low speed setting. Then we'll switch over to the high speed setting. Because this is the expanded model, I can undo this here and pull off the weed eater and attach other tools. And with this trimmer plus attachment attached, you can spin this up and use it just like you would any gas model. I've got a full video on using these trimmer plus attachments with your Ryobi weed eater, so I'll leave that link to the end of this video and in the description below so you can check that out after you watch this one. But they do work, and they work really well. You don't have to buy the Ryobi tools. As I start to use this string trimmer more and more, it starts to grow me a little bit. The little problems that I have, you know what, I can look past them because of the price that I did pay for this. I did do a whole video on the 3 issues with this weed eater, and to be honest, they still exist. Like the handle still moves. It's a pain to change over the head here, and the weight distribution of this, I feel like it is a little bit off. But overall, this string trimmer for the price point is a great deal, especially if you're already in the 40V platform or are looking to get in the 40V platform. This platform here has really grown on me. I have a lawnmower now, I have an auger, and they have been fantastic. Looking to expand into other things that I may need around the home, maybe a chainsaw. If you want to see how this string trimmer performs with the trimmer plus attachments on it, you should check out this video here.